Hello everyone. Today we'll be learning about how to make e-commerce website using the API. So I have my API which is present here. So we'll be using this API in which we'll be displaying the product that are coming from that API, and we'll also display the detail of the particular product of that API. So let's begin. So I have created a folder. So let me hit the command prompt cmd. After hitting the command prompt, let me write the code for the new project. Ng new e-commerce app. So now our project is been building as we are creating a new project. So this usually takes a little bit of time. So now it's asking whether we want to route to the new page or not. So obviously we want the routing because we have to go from one page to another. So I'll give Y for yes. In first one option I'll enter. So our project has been installed now, and now I will go to directly to VS Code by hitting the command code dot. So my VS Code with this project will be open. So we can see our project. So let me go to new terminal first. So I have to go inside this folder e-commerce app. So let me hit cd e-commerce app. So we are inside the e-commerce app folder, and I will run the project ng serve. So our project has been in the building stage. So project has been running at localhost 4200. So let me open my Chrome browser and run this localhost 4200. So we can see default ones which Angular uses. So let me remove the default one. First I'll go to src, then I have to go to app, and then I have to go to app component.html. So except this router outlet, everything I have to remove. Let me save. So let me open a new terminal. So let me go inside this folder cd e-commerce app, and let me create a component ng g for generate, c for component. Inside the component folder it will be product view. So product view component will be created now. So product view component got created. We can see inside the component folder we got the product view. So first I'll set the routing for this. So I'll go to the app routing module.ts here. So let me set the path. So path, when it is empty, that time I have to take the user to component in the product view. So this also will get auto imported automatically. So let me save, and if I open, you can see product view work. So next step is setting up the bootstrap. So I'll go to get bootstrap. So you can Google as well. Just if you Google bootstrap, so first link I'll go, just scroll below, copy this, go to the index.html, paste above head tag, and let me go again, copy this and paste below the body tag and save. Let me close this. So that's it, our bootstrap has been configured now. So if you go to the Chrome browser, you can see little bit changes in the text, and that says our bootstrap has been configured. So first we'll be designing the static page, and then we'll be making it as a dynamic. So I have come to my product view HTML. So let me delete this. So let me take a div. So div class equals to container fluid. So this is a bootstrap class. So let me take another div class equals to row justify content center and text will be at center. All these are the bootstrap classes. You can also learn it by looking at documentation. So let me give a style here using the inline CSS. Style equals to background color black, let it be. Black. So let me take a div. So div class equals to call md8 call lg6. So inside it I'll take the header. Div class equals to header. So I'll take a h3 tag and that will be like a popular e-commerce product. E-commerce products. So let me give the style here using the inline CSS. So color will be white. Color, let it be white itself, and font size let it be somewhere around 23 pixel. Font size let it be 23 pixel. So you can see the popular products here. Seems okay. So this was basically our header. So I'll comment. So let us know when next time we are seeing the code. So it was a header part. So this is next one is the product display part. Display part. So again now I'll take a container and div class equals to container. So container fluid I'll use because I'll be making use of full area. So again I'll give the style. Let me close the container fluid. So here I'll be giving the style. Again background color, and that will be black. So now let me take a div class equals to row. So again I'll be using div class equals to call md2 and margin top I need somewhere around 3. So even this is the bootstrap class. So this will be a static first of all, then we will be making it dynamic. So let me take another div class. Div class equals to card. So we'll be making use of card because it should come like the box like structure outside. So again for the card margin top 2 I have to give. Let me again make use of div class equals to card body I will use. So this section will be for especially for the e-commerce image. So div class equals to card. So for image I'll use img actions. So let me make use of image tag. So img src is the link of the image tag. So for that I'll give a class equals to card. So card image fluid will be. So let me put a static image as of now. So let me go to my Google. So let me type HP pen drive. This is just the example for the static. So if you open the first link, you have to click on this first image, I mean first product, and if I click here and open image in new tab, so I'll copy this path, go back to my project code, and I'll paste this path here. So you can see image has come in our project, but again CSS I have to give for this. So let me go to my product view CSS. So for that a dot card image width I'll give 150 pixel, height 145 pixel. Small images will come, and then I need a margin bottom of 15 pixel. 15 pixel. You can see. So let me give a CSS for body as well. So let me use body. So margin will be 0 always for here. Font weight I'll give 400, let it be. Line height I will give 1.5385, let it be. Color black type, let it be. Then text align left. So background color, so let it be hash 2196 F3. Or this background color I can give it later if I want. As of now I don't want it. So let me make use of dot card image actions. Position relative, let it be. So let me go to my code again. So after this again I have to code for the details as well. So I will be making use of again div. Okay, let me make use of div class equals to card body. So let it be BG light, and text it will be center. So let me open a div. H6 tag I'll use. In the H6 tag let me give the class equals to font weight I'll give font weight semi bold, let it be. So here our title will come. So for that I have to make use of anchor tag. So let me use class text default and title HP 8GB pen drive. So you can see the product has come. Text decoration I will remove. So for the anchor tag, text decoration I'll keep none. So you can see the line has gone. So next thing will be for the price. So again I'll be making use of h3 tag. So for the h3 tag I'll be given a class as well. So let me give the class MB0 font weight, same class I'll give. Make use of the dollar symbol, our dollar symbol, $50, not $50 actually, $13 let it be. So we need two buttons as well. So let me take a button tag. So first one I'll take, let me see which button to take. So dark color I will take. Class equals to btn dark. So let me make use of sm class because small button I need. So let it be btn sm for the small button, and button name will be view details. Okay, looks good. I need to make use of the font awesome class. So let me close this all. I have the link here. Copy this and I'll be pasting in my browser. This everything I'll be giving the description below. So font awesome link I'll copy. Go back to my code and I'll go to the index.html. So just above this script tag I'll paste it. So for this also I need to use margin top 2 empty to Discord. So one font awesome class for the details I'll use. So let me show you how to use it. I class equals to FA solid FA info margin right 2. And little spacing I'll be using, and NBSP. So you can see the detail button, and next button will be for the this one, add to cart. The same thing I'll copy, paste. Let me make use of warning for the yellow one. Let it be add to cart. So this will be the cart plus. Yes, we can see. So this was our static page. So statically, if you want to display some more products like this, just you have to copy it, and like I'll show now how to do. So we will not make the static website, but I'm showing you. Just copy from here and leave the this studio. Just copy this and paste 3-4 times. You can see 4 products will come like that, but we'll be making it dynamically. So let's make the undo change. Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. So once again Control Z. So let it be one only, because you might get confused. So we'll be using the ng for loop for looping those products that are coming from the API. So now let's make the API part. You can see this API we'll be using. So what is there inside this API? So let me check first. So first I'll go to the REST Ninja. Let me Google and show REST Ninja. The first website I'll go. So I'll copy my API. So this API, let me copy and paste it here and keep this as get. So you can see what are there in our API. Everything is coming here. So you can see we have the array of objects that are present in our API. So this only will be displaying inside our this page. So that API integration will be doing. So all these products will be rendering there. So first let me create a API for you. So this static one I'll close. Let me close. So new terminal anyways present here. So ng g for generate, s for service. Inside the shared folder I have to create API. So our API service has been created, which is present inside this shared folder. So whenever we use the API, first thing we have to import HTTP client module. So I'll go to my app module.ts. So let me write import HTTP client module. So this HTTP client module will be getting from @Angular common / HTTP Angular / common / HTTP. So this so this, let me copy this semicolon I'll put outside. So let me copy this HTTP client module which is present over here, and I'll be pasting just below here, and let me save it again. It has been saved. Again let me go to my API service. So let me write private HTTP client. So HTTP client got auto imported. So we'll be making use of get product. So because we are displaying the e-commerce product over there, so let me use get product. So for a get product, return this dot HTTP dot. Before that, let me create a model first for you. Will not be using any here. So let me click here. So let me create product model.ts. Okay. So let me use export class interface. Export interface, not class, export interface product. So let me see some of the fields. Okay, I'll be making use of the title, description, price, category, and thumbnail. That's it. Don't need of everything. And images also, if I need, let me make use, because only one image, many images are there. So that also I can use. So let me go here. So obviously first one, let me make ID. ID will be type of number. So then title, type string, description of type string, price of type number, category, which will be of type string again, and thumbnail of type string. Again, let me go to my API service.ts. So let me make use now a return this dot http dot get method, and let it be product. So product in got auto imported. Let me see. So I can import it manually. Import product from product model. Okay. Let me copy this API now and let me paste it here and save. So let me go to my product view component.ts. So here I'll be making use of implements on. So implements on init. So on init I will be using here as well. So let me give the comma on init. So something error I am getting. Okay, ng on init is not present. So implement interface on init. Okay. So let me remove this. So let me make use of the constructor. So here it's very straightforward. Private API service. So API service got auto imported here. So let me create a new function, that is display product. Display products. So this dot API dot get product function. So this function has been used and we have to subscribe it as well. So let me subscribe, take the response from the user. So control set, let me subscribe, take the response from the user itself. So I'll be storing this response inside a variable. So variable name will be the data. So let me create a variable data. So it will be product itself. So it will be a product array. So let me give any symbol. So let me store in the data. So this dot data equals to response. So let me console and see the response. Console dot log response. So before that let me call this function inside this ng on init, this dot display products. So let me check, let me go to my browser, let me inspect. So let me go to the console tab. Yes, we can see the response, all the API response we are getting here in the products. So this I'll be integrating now. So let me go to my product view component HTML. So let me make use of ng for loop. So here, so I'll apply here ng for light item of data. So this will be data dot products, because if you see our API structure in the REST Ninja, you can see products it is. So I'm getting some error. So let me make use of any only here. So let me make use of any. And let me go to the product component.html. So let me check the API structure. First is our thumbnail I want for the picture. So all the pictures are coming because I have used ng4 loop. So it's looping now. So let me come below. So here I'll touch first item.title. Item.title. So you can see all the fresh titles has come. This title was there in my this only. Here it was. So item.thumbnail I'll use for the pictures. So let me remove this. So this is item.thumbnail. After using thumbnail, you can see all the pictures has come that which are coming from the that API. So price I need to use. Here $30 is by default. So item.price. Yes, we can see every price has been coming. So API integration for this part is done. So next we will be doing view details page now. So here e-commerce spelling is wrong. Let me change. Yes. So let me create a component now. I'll go to new terminal. That will be product detail. So inside the component we can see product detail has been come now. So let me set the routing for that. I'll go to the app routing module.ts. So let me give the path. So path will be product and detail, and component will be product detail component. So this got auto imported. So let me check in my UI. If I use /product detail, you can see we are going to product detail page. Not like that. I had given product detail. So you can see product detail works. So on view details, I'll keep the router link for product details as of now. After that, we'll be using the active routes, because first now for this also we'll be designing static one on picture and on this also. First I'll keep a router link product detail, and same router link I'll keep on the view details. Router link product details. So if you go back to the project, if I click on the picture, you can see we are going to product detail page, and if I click on the view details also, we are going here. So static I'll design now. In the product detail page, before that, if I see my UI, there is a little bit spacing more I need, because both of the sizes should be same. So let me give an NBSP, let me go to product view component.html, and extra spacing I will give, and NBSP. So yeah. So okay, it looks fine. So let me design now product view page. So first I'll design the static, then we'll make it dynamic. So let me go to the code first. So first of all, I want the nav bar. So let me make use of nav class equals to So one next extra I have given. So black color navbar I want. So navbar BG dark. So I'll make use of container fluid. Div class equals to container fluid. So let me take the anchor tag. So I'm taking the anchor tag, and the heading will be like e-commerce website. E-commerce website. So I'll give a class. Class equals to navbar. Navbar brand I'll give, and after that style color let it be white. Let it be white. So you can see our navbar has been formed. After that I have to take the container and like I have to display the products as well. So here will be single product display, single product display. So first let me take the container. Div class equals to container. After that I have to take the row as well, equals to row, and let me take the call as well. Div class equals to call sm3. So let me take the image tag first. img for image tag. So class I'll use, and class name will be product image. src is as of now blank. So let me take any of the image. Let me take the HP pen drive example. HP pen drive. So if you go to the HP pen drive, first link I'll go to the Flipkart itself. I'll show how to carry the image from there, as I have shown in last time in product view. So first I'll click. So let me click on the image new tag. Let me copy this path and I'll paste it here. So okay, my image has come now. So let me set a CSS for it. So let me go to the CSS part. Dot, not dot, for image tag commonly. Image tag. I will not make use of the class. Directly image tag will do. Width. Let it be 100%. And like height I want 400 pixel. Object fit contain. So okay, image has come little closer here. So let me go to the detail. So let me give the class product detail here. Product detail. Let me copy this class. Let me go to the CSS part and paste this class with dot. Margin top 40 pixel, and another I want like margin bottom 80 pixel. So let me go to the code. So let me save this. Yeah, you can see margin top I have got now. So now for the buttons I will take the div. So let me take a fresh div here. I have taken the div. So 2 buttons I need. Button class equals to btn primary, and the first one will be buy now. So you can see buy now button has come. So another button I need, that will be of the black color. So I need a black, no, let it be green color button. Let me use success class. Let it be add to cart. Some spacing I need here, so let me use NBSP. Okay, spacing has come. So this side part has completed now. So if you want to put the hover effect and all, you can put here. As of now it's not needed, I think. Designing part you can do later. So now this is for right side. So for right side, let me take the div first. Div class equals to call sm8. Again the bootstrap class. So let me take a div. So first I'll use h1 tag. So here title will come. So let me put HP 8 GB pen drive. So first let me take this div here because it's outside. Control X. I'm cutting it and pasting it here. And let me check now. Okay, header has come HP pen drive, which is basically our title. So I'll use a p tag next. So let me make use of p tag. Let it be special price. So I need a color green, so I'll put inline CSS style color green. So you can see special price has come. So now let me put the price tag as well for price. So again I'll use h3. So let me make use of price, and I'll make use of dollar as well. Dollar is here. Okay, and again the static data I will put $30 let it be, which is static, and let me save. Now our category tag will come. So let me make use of strong. Sorry, G I missed. So I am making use of strong tag. So here it will be category. And NBSP. So category by default I'll put electronics. Then again strong tag I'll use for description. So BR I need because next line I have to go. So this is for description. So here again I'll use the BR tag. So description dot, let me use this. So description also I'll be giving below. So let me go to HP pen drive, the Flipkart. If I click on the first link, so below when we scroll we can see the description. Same thing I'll copy and paste in my code. Sorry, let me copy once again. Let me make use of p tag and paste it. So here I'll be putting the discount as well. So let me use the p tag again. So inside the p tag, let me put discount. So again I'll put a static data 12 percent, let it be. Let me give the class style, color, let it be green. So this is capital, let me make it small. So small letter I'll use. So you can see our static data discount 12% has come. So one back button I need. So let me go up. Let me use button. And I'll give class btn warning for yellow button, and let me give it as back. And router link I'll give. Let it be empty because we can go back or main page. So this extra 0, let me remove. As you can see, our back button has come. So let me put the task text light as well. So inside text will be of white color. Last tag will be for the units left, like how many units are left. So let me use the br tag. So below strong tag, and let me use stocks, that is unit left. Static one I'll put 10 units left, as you can see here. So let me make everything this dynamic now. So first I'll go to my service, API service.ts. So let me make use of function get product by ID, get product by ID. So first I'll use ID of type string, and let me use return this dot http dot get not product, get function I'll use. I'll hit this one API, or I'll copy this API and make use of plus ID. So before that, let me go to app routing module.ts here. So let me make some changes. Let it be product ID, and let me close this. And let me go to product detail component.ts. Here let me use implements on init. So implement interface on init. After right clicking it, left clicking, you can see it's coming in, join it is coming. Just we have to go to here and click it. So let me remove this. So let me make use of the constructor first. Constructor. So let me bring the API here. Private API service. So API service got auto imported. Another thing I need is activated route. So private activated route, and then it is activated route. So activated route also got auto imported. So here let me use let product ID variable is equal to this dot activated route dot snapshot dot paramap dot get product ID. So let me console and see. Log ID is, let me check now. First let me inspect. After inspecting, let me go to the console. Let me clear everything. When I click on the product, we are getting some error. Let me check. Okay, it's because of routing. So let me go back and let me change the old routing. Let me go to product view component.html. So here I'll make use of item.id slash item.id, and same thing I'll use on the, after using on the picture, same thing I'll use on the view detail button as well. Let me come below. Here I'll use by using slash. So okay, if I click on view details, you can see product ID is coming, number 6. So if I click on this, product ID is coming, number 2. So we are capturing our product ID now. So let me go back to code. Let me close this. So let me comment. This was for understanding. So let me create a variable. The variable name is the product data. Product data of type product. So product is our model which got auto imported. Let me give any as well. So this product is from the model itself. This comes from here. So now here below product ID and this dot API dot get product by ID, product ID. Then let me subscribe. Take the response. And store it in the product ID, product data equals to response. So let me console and see the response. So let me inspect first. So if I click on the view details, okay, we are getting some error. Let me see. Let me go to API service.ts. Okay, here one slash is missing. I have put that slash. So let me go back. If I click on view details, okay, in info I am getting it. Again I'll show. Let me go back first. Let me empty this. If I click on the view details of this MacBook, you can see I am getting the details of the MacBook only. If I clear again, if I click on view details of this perfume, you can see we are getting the view details with ID. So another thing I have to use in the model is images, because that images also will be using. So let me go to my model.ts, images, string. So let me go to my product details here. So I'll close rest of things. So first one will be for the image. This I'll remove, static one. After removing the static one, product data dot images, and I want a zeroth array. That means first image. If you go to the Rest Ninja, you can see our images. One array is formed. So 1 2 3 4 5 images are there. First one image only I'll use. I'm not using the carousel or the slider, so only one image I will be using. So if I go to my project, if I click on the view details, you can see the product is coming. Different products are coming. If I click on this laptop, Samsung Galaxy, you can see this laptop is coming. So if I click on this perfume, you can see this perfume is coming. The right images are coming from the API. So this will be title. So this will be product data.title in a h1. Product data dot title. Now if I click on specific, you can see specific title is coming. So specific price will also come now. So let me copy this directly. Control C. This is for specific price. Everything is there in here only. After that I need a specific category as well. So you can see specific price is coming for the particular product. Different prices are coming. Static one we are removing. So here dynamic category I need to put. Product data dot category. You can see the smartphone category. Particular category is also coming. If I click here, you can see particular category is also coming. Next one is of description. Let me copy this. Let me remove the static data. Let me see in the array API. So okay, description is this one, so let me copy the description as well. So if I click on the particular, you can see a new description is also coming. Okay, new description also is coming. Now for the discount, so same thing. Let me use of discount percentage. Let me copy this and make the changes. So it is discount percentage. So specific, if I click, you can see the discount percentage coming for different product. Some 6%, some 8%, etc. 4.5%. And last one, what we need is how many stocks are left. So this stock I can use. And here I'll put stock. Is this stock or stocks? Let me see. Yeah, stock. Okay, 36 units are left. If I see for this product, 88 units are left. So this completes our product detail page and product view page. So thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe and like. Thank you.